related to all the three, the sequence should be like this: cost price, selling price, and then market price. The cost price of an article is 80% of the market price, means 100 assume as the market price. Then what would be the cost price? 80, is it not? 20% discount is allowed. And after this, how much discount is allowed? 15% discount is allowed, means at what rate is sold? 85. Find the gain percent. Find the gain percent means whenever you are talking about gain, you are confined only with these two values. 80 rupees is the cost price, 85 is the selling price. For an investment of 80, the gain is 5 rupees. For an investment of 80, the gain is 5 rupees. For an investment of 100, what would be the gain? It will be more. So more by less into 5. 5 16s, 4 4s, 4 25s. 25 by 4 means 6.25%. Based on the problem, you assume 100, whether it is market price or selling price or cost price. Okay. Next, last problem. Is 20% above the cost price. The market price of an article is 20% above the cost price, but 5% discount is allowed. Find the profit to the seller find the profit to the seller if the market price of the article is rupees 720. If the market price of the article is rupees 720, price, selling price and market price. Cost price, selling price and market price. What he has given here, the market price of an article is 20% above the cost price, means cost price is 100, means market price is 120. How much discount is allowed? 5%. 5% of 120 is how much? 6 rupees. 5% of 120. 6 rupees. So how much is sold? 114. What are the values we have assumed here are duplicate values. Original value is given. What he has given? Market price of the article is 720. What he asked? Find the profit. See here, 120, 720 means the relation is into 6, is it not? So, into 6 means 600 should be the cost price. Into 6 means 684 should be the selling price. 720 is the market price. Profit percent he asked? Profit. She asked only the profit. The profit is 84 rupees. The profit is 84 rupees. I have covered almost all the models given in the campus recruitment, but you want more perfection, take the textbook of R.S. Agarwal. That is the best available book in the market as far as my knowledge is. I mostly refer R.S. Agarwal. Gulat, S.L. Gulat is also very good book. Whatever book available on the arithmetic, all the books are good. Take the problems of the textbook, adopt these methods, you will be comfortable in arithmetic. Okay. Now, let us take some of the campus general questions. How the general questions will be given. How many squares will be there on a chessboard? You have to think in one way. For a BTech graduate, how many squares will be there on a chessboard? If the answer is 18,864, will he ask the question? No. There will be some logic. What is the logic? How many squares will be there on a chessboard? This was the question asked in TCS. And 64 also will be there in the options. Don't worry. See, I'll tell you a small clue. Suppose if I take a 2 by 2 chessboard, 2 by 2 chessboard means 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5, is it not? 5 squares. Because it is a 2 by 2 chessboard, sum of the squares of the first two natural numbers. Okay. Suppose if I take a 3 by 3 chessboard, how many squares will be there on a 3 by 3 chessboard means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Because it is a 3 by 3 chessboard, sum of the squares of the first three natural numbers. Our regular chessboard contains 8 by 8. Therefore, sum of the squares of the first 8 natural numbers, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. How much it comes to? How much it comes to? So the number of squares on a regular chessboard is 204, not 64 or not any other value. You can't even imagine the model. He will ask in this way, at least 4-5 questions. Some of the Putney computers, previous, now it is iGate. Putney computers also the questions will be like this only. Very difficult. Suppose in place of squares, suppose if you ask how many rectangles will be there? How many rectangles will be there on chessboard means rectangle means our calculation should be 1, 2, 3, like that, 4, 5. Rectangles means sum of the cubes of the first 10 natural numbers. N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 means n is 8. How much you got? How much you got? See, remember one point here, 1296. I'll tell you one property. A rectangle whose all sides are equal is called as a square. If you take that property also into consideration, 1296. Suppose if we ask how many rectangles will be there on a chessboard in brackets without squares, means minus 204. Without means that comes to 1092. All these are previous questions. Previous questions. You should have an idea how the paper will be. Next, one more question I will give you. Try this. A 10-digit number contains, this is also a TCS question. A 10-digit number contains its first digit equals to, TCS or other company, I don't remember, but it's given in the company. In a 10-digit number contains its first digit equal to number of ones in that number. A 10-digit number contains its first digit equals to number of ones in that number. Second digit equals to number of twos. Till the ninth digit equals to, till the ninth digit equals to number of nines, and the 10th digit equals to number of zeros in that number. What is the number? So I am very perfect for breaks and lunch time. Huh? Don't worry about that. You be comfortable. Understood? Suppose in a 10-digit number, number of ones are 3 means first digit equal to 3. If there are no 2's means second digit equal to 0. Understood? Like that the number is framed. What is the number? What procedure you adopt? Procedure you adopt. Okay, I will tell you the method. Can you tell the number? All 0? I told 10-digit number. All zeros and 9 will become a 10-digit number. That will become a single digit 9. I will assume the 10-digit number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will assume the 10-digit number as starting like this. Last digit equal to number of zeros, is it not? Once I strike off this, the number of zeros will become 8. Then number of 8's will become 1. Then number of 1's will become 2. If you go on interchange, the value is 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 6 you will get. First digit equal to number of 2, number of 1's. How many 1's are there? 2. Second digit equal to number of 2's. How many 2's are there? 1. 3's, 4's, 5's are not there. How many 6's are there? 1. 7, 8, 9 are not there. How many zeros are there? 6. Method is this. You go on interchange like this, you will get the final value. At one stage it will be stopped. You know previous coins. Have you seen 1 paise coin? 1 paise coin you have seen. You have spent, I have spent 1 paise coin. 2 paise coin, our denomination you remember 2 paise. 1 paise, 2 paise, 3 paise is also there. 3 paise, 5 paise, 10 paise, and then 20 paise is also there, and then 25 paise, then 30 paise, 50. Can you tender a change for 1 rupee? You should get exactly 50 coins, no 2 paise coins. ₹1 change I want 50 coins, no 2 paise coins. Don't say that 52 paise 1 rupee, no. No 2 paise coins. What is the denomination? Tell me. This is also asked, campus recruitment. 1 paise coin, one 10 paise coin, 1 5 paise coin, 3 paise coins, 1 paise. How many coins? 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8 coins I got. I asked to get 50 coins. 50. 1 coin of 25 paise, 1 of 5 paise, 50 of 1 paise. I want exactly 50 coins. $25 coins, 3 paise coins, 25, 75 paise. 1 paise coins, very simple. And you get other denominations also. If you can try, you will get 4-5 combinations. You will get 4-5 combinations. All the bags contains 1 gram coins, except one bag. In that bag, you have only half gram coins. But you cannot distinguish between a 1 gram coin and half gram coin unless otherwise you weigh. All the coins are appears to be same, of same size, same color, even if you want same taste. All are of same size, same color, and everything is same shape. All are 1 gram coins, but in one bag there are half gram coins. Unless otherwise you weigh the coins, you cannot distinguish between 1 gram and half gram coins. You are allowed a balance and also a weight box. In how many attempts you can identify that half gram coins among all the 10 bags? From the third bag I will take 3 coins, and so on. From the 10th bag I will take 10 coins. If all are put together, I will put in a weight box. If all are 1 gram coins, the sum should be 55 grams. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 10, 55 grams. But if you weigh, it will not show 55 grams. For example, if it shows 52 grams, 52 grams means 3 grams or less. 3 grams or less means from 6 coins, 6 half grams or less. So from which bag you have taken 6 coins, that bag will be half gram coins. So in one attempt, you can identify that half gram coins, right? And one more problem, you tell me the answer after lunch. This is the puzzle taken from Shakuntala Devi only. Whatever I told, some of the problems from Shakuntala Devi, got married twice. Got married twice. There is a man in Mumbai got married twice. What we call, one wife is staying in a place called Bandra, and one wife is staying near a place called Churchgate. Okay. This man is working in an office which is centrally located to both the houses. This man is working in an office central. Now, after this, half of the students will be in Bandra. The students will be in Churchgate. How she will be. And nobody will be here mentally. Physically you will be here, but mentally some are in Bandra and some are in Churchgate. Come back. This fellow is working in an office which is centrally located to both the houses. This man has a peculiar habit. Whenever he comes to the local railway